How to pay minimum amount on Scotiabank credit card. Paying the minimum amount helps avoid late fees but still accrues interest on the remaining balance. Here's how to do it. 1. Online banking or mobile app. Log into Scotiabank Online Banking or the Scotiabank mobile app. Go to Bill Payments or Credit Card Services. Select your credit card and choose minimum payment as the amount, then confirm and submit the payment. 2. Automatic payments. Autopay setup. Autopay to automatically pay the minimum due each month from your linked bank account. 3. In branch or ATM. Visit a Scotiabank branch or ATM and make a payment towards your credit card. 4. By phone. Call Scotiabank's customer service and request to pay the minimum amount. Important: paying only the minimum keeps your account in good standing but can lead to high interest charges. If possible, try to pay more than the minimum to reduce debt faster. And that's all for this tutorial. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.